Pretend to dive in the water. Pretend to drown. No. Pretend to fly in the sky. Probably not. Oh no, because I ripped my pants. Hey, don't you forget about this. Oh boy. Because I ripped my pants when I was a child.
This is how we do it in Texas. Yee-haw! Now I get tough. I love a challenge. Keep up, Slowpoke. Beat you to it. You're speedy.
I'm calling the moving company tomorrow. Yeah, I've already been briefed by the geriatric duo. Those two old coots sent me in to get updated with the Murmalaire computer. But since you're here now, I'll let you do it. It's right over there. Oh, look at this place. I mean, please. Would it kill them to lay down a few throw rugs? And all this wasted space? How did those two old fogies make all this?
Aw, Squidward, did you rip my pants? Oh, dear. Oh, why did you rip my pants? Oh, no. I didn't see it anywhere, Squidward. Oh, why did you rip my pants? Well, I am the biggest loser in the world. Oh, gee, Squidward. I'm the biggest loser in the beach. No, I forgot to put on sunblock on.
I thought that I had everybody on my side, but I went and blew it all sky high. And now she won't even spare a passing glance, all just because I ripped my pants. When Big Larry came round just to put him down, SpongeBob turned into a clown. And no girl ever wants to dance with a fool who went and ripped his pants. I know I shouldn't mope around, I shouldn't curse, but the pain feels so much worse. 'Cause winding up with no one is a lot less fun than a burn from the sun or sand in your bones. Now I learned a lesson I won't soon forget. So listen and you won't regret. Be true to yourself, don't miss your chance, and you won't end up like the fool who ripped his pants.
Uh-oh, not this again, Squidward. Oh, dear. On comes the ghost. Oh, no, Squidward. You're scaring me. Ah!
Balled up here in excruciating pain. Ow, so out did you? Ow, find the King Jelly, ow, fish.
How many times have I told you not to play the things that don't scare you, Squidward?
End this nightmare for crying out loud. Finally, now we can leave. But first, I need my paycheck. Mr. Krabs? Excuse me, Mr. Krabs. Hey! Oh, great.